Today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you possibly want to know about this portable vacuum cleaner. This thing's absolutely awesome. Been testing it out for about the last 3 weeks now. Bought a couple other ones. I'm going to show you what I like about this one. I've never really seen a vacuum exactly like this. I'm going to tell you why. We're going to walk through all the accessories. We're going to scoop up some goldfish. We got some crumbs here. We got some dog food. The cool part about this is not just a vacuum. Like, you would think that this would be the only thing you could need right over here, but it also has all these attachments, and I'll show you how to attach them. When I first got this, it was a little tricky to figure out how to get the hose attachment on, so I'm going to walk you through that. This is good for dog hair, pet hair. This could be used in a car. This could be used in the middle of a couch. I'm kind of doing it right over here so I could show you exactly how it sucks up. But I've used this in the car before. I've actually used this in the kitchen as well. If just stuff spills, it's just easy to get this. You don't have to go get your big vacuum. That is just super annoying. This is rechargeable right back over here. It does come with, it is a USB-C. It does come with the charger. You could get up to 35 minutes with this. Just depends on what speed you're on. It does go in 3 different speeds. On the highest speed, you get about 20-25 minutes. On the lowest speed, you're going to get 35. And then if you're high, low, you're going to get pretty much in the middle. Pretty self-explanatory. I got the black color. It does come in other colors if you want. I do like the fact that this just charges USB-C. I will say that. You don't have to worry about putting it in a dock or finding a spot for that charger. It's super annoying. You just charge it USB-C. So let's get into some of the attachments it comes with. We're gonna get this piece right over here. This is gonna be great to kind of get dog hair and get in between. If you have a car, get in the cup holders, in between the seats, all that kind of stuff. We have this one right over here. Very nice bristles, easy to use this. Also great for on top of the couch to kind of get that dog hair or whatever is stuck to the top right over there. We're gonna get this extension hose right over here, and that could hook up to this piece right over here. I will show you how to do that. We also got the filter right over here. We do get a carrying case. And then, of course, we do get a little brush to brush this out. I think that is a nice little touch to kind of just, because it gets annoying sometimes to get that in. So let's get this vacuum started, and I'll kind of show you close up. We'll kind of take a look what we got going on here. So we got 3 different speeds here. So you'll see this is your battery life right over here. It goes like that. We got 2 speeds. I'm sorry, we got 2 speeds right over here. I'm sorry. So that's going to kind of be your first speed. This is going to be your second speed. This does have a light, which is nice. So this is kind of how it works right over here with the dog food. You'll see it picks it up. It's all right over here. Nothing is coming out of here. We've had vacuums in the past where that kind of just comes out. We got some goldfish. We picked that up. The breadcrumbs, real easy on the breadcrumbs. And you'll see it's all right in here. Nothing is falling out of here, which is extremely nice. Now, we want to just turn this off. We're just going to take that all the way off just like that. I will show you how to empty this in a little bit. Super easy. You're literally just going to press this button and we'll dump it in the garbage right over here. Now, for attachments, if you want to just put this attachment on, you could stick this in just like that. And then you could just have this. Super easy. You got that going right over there. If you wanted the hose nozzle right over here, what you have to do is you need to take these pieces right over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull these apart. You got 2 different ones right over here. What you're going to do is you're going to stick this one right in there. And now this is going to be where you can connect the hose. You're going to put the hose on just like this. Make sure you kind of get that on. You want to make sure it's kind of up just like that. And now you have the option to use this attachment right over here. You'll literally just put that on. Oh, I'm sorry. You put this on as well on the other side right over here, just like that. And now you have this attachment ready to go. So you put one end over here, the other end over here, and you are good to go with that. And then you could also use it with this one right over here as well. So if you wanted the hose functionality to kind of get a little longer, get in there a little deeper, we'll turn this on right over here. We got that on. You'll see right over here, the hose function works just as well. This isn't going to work. This piece isn't going to work as well with the goldfish. It sucks right up in there. It does go through this hose right over here. The nice part is nothing is coming out of this hose. You got really good suction right over here. And you'll see right over there. This is mainly for like pet hair and stuff like that. If If you wanted something more for like the dog food angle, I would use this other one right over here. And you'll see right over here, you just pop that on really easily. Get this one back in, and then we're going to just go back right over here. We'll turn this on high for this one right over here. You'll see it goes much faster. You can kind of reach around just like that and get everything sucked up just like that, and then you kind of clean real easy. Now, in terms of getting stuff out of here, we're literally, so to take this apart right over here, it does come in this nice bag, which we'll go over in just a second. We're just going to pop all these pieces out. You'll see here, nothing is in the hose. In our normal vacuum, sometimes things get stuck in the hose. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to pop this button just like that. And now this is the one piece. You could charge this if you wanted to. And this is our filter. We're literally just going to pop this piece out. Super easy, just like that. You'll see all the stuff we just picked up right over here. And then we're literally just going to dump it out. And then you're all good right there. If you wanted to, like, kind of, if there was some stuff on here, you could kind of brush it off. If you wanted to, brush it off into the garbage can. Really haven't had a lot of issues of stuff getting stuck. And then to put this back together, it's super self-explanatory. You're literally just going to line this back up, and then it clips into place. You get a lot of storage in this as well. You could also probably, if you wanted to, just use this piece if you wanted to kind of get something maybe a little bigger and didn't feel like using that pump piece right over there. And then of course, we'll go over the bag in just 1 second. And then we'll wrap this up for you. And then, of course, it comes with a carrying bag, so you don't necessarily need this box. I mean, it is a nice giftable box. You got your little handle right over there. But you could just literally put it just like this, and it fits inside. This isn't one of those bags where it's just like, oh, like it barely fits. Everything fits in here nice and cushy. You could put these back together if you want. Either way, doesn't really matter. We just store everything together, and we got this like little backup filter right over here. And then we're just gonna zip this shut just like that. And now we have this right over here. So super portable. You can put this in your car. If you are looking for a great vacuum, super easy to use, has a great battery life, has this nice carrying case, is good for dog food, goldfish, pet stuff, for your car, has the different attachments, and massive storage on this, and also a light. Definitely check this one out. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you get the right handheld vacuum for you.